Hello, welcome to CodeRuck. In this video, we will go through how you can write your first TypeScript Hello program. Before we get started, you need to have Node.js and TypeScript compiler installed in your system. And regarding installation, you can check my previous video. There I have explained in a very detailed way how you can install both these tools in your system to get started with your TypeScript program. Okay, now once Node.js and TypeScript compiler is installed in your system, so you can able to check whether it is installed properly or not. So for Node.js you can use node-v, and once you run this command in your terminal you will get some version number whichever you have installed. So that means Node.js is properly installed. Now just to check whether TypeScript compiler is properly installed or not, so for that one you can use tsc -v, and there also you will get some version number. So that means both Node.js and TypeScript compiler is installed properly in your system. After that, what we will do, we will create one file in one project folder, okay, and it will be app.ts. And why I'm using .ts is because I am going to write our TypeScript code, and for TypeScript our file extension has to be .ts. Okay, now I will use let message, and this has to be string type, and it will be hello world. Okay, and I will make it console message. So this is how you can write your, or we are writing our first TypeScript program. The message has to be of string type. So once we are done with this one, now we have to compile this .ts file, or we can say TypeScript file, into our JavaScript file. The reason is our browser only understand JavaScript code, not the TypeScript code. So for that one we need to compile this app.ts. So for that one what we can do, we can write tsc app.ts. Once we click enter, TypeScript compiler will create one file with the same name with .js extension. Okay, so this is our JavaScript code, which through, or we can say from, TypeScript code, which TypeScript compiler has compiled for us. Now what we can do, just to run this our TypeScript code, we can create one HTML file. Okay, index.html. So I already have one HTML. I will paste it, and there I will include this app.js file. Okay, so script src app.js. Okay, because this is normal HTML syntax to import, or to include any JavaScript file, so I'm just including this same file. Now once we are done this one, I'm using VS Code live server extension just to run our HTML code. So I will right click and open with live server. Once we do that one, it will open a live server for us, and if we go and inspect that one in console, we are getting hello world. Okay, because that's what we have written in our app.ts. Now let's change something, hello world CodeRuck. Okay, now we are saving that one, but if you see in your app.js, it will not get updated because you have to recompile this app.ts. Okay, so for that one you again have to run this same command tsc app.ts. So it will update your app.js file. Okay, now you can see your app.js file is updated with new code or new message, and this same message will get reflected in your browser, in your terminal, or we can say hello world CodeRuck. So this is how you can write your TypeScript code. You can compile it, you can view it in your browser, no matter it is console, or no matter if it is any view part you are rendering. So this is complete whole process. Now in later videos we will go in more detailed syntax, what TypeScript use and how you can use those syntax. So we will go in later videos. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all.